Stock number 41444B. It's a 2013 Mercedes Chrysler 300. Sorry. You can see the front bumper has scratches, paint problem right there. Paint problem right there, paint problem right there, scratches right there, paint problem right there. See, the hood looks good. Front fender looks good. Passenger door looks good. Side view mirror looks good. Back door looks good. Quarter panel's got little parking lot dings on it. Rear bumper's got scrapes and scuffs on it right there. Over here too, got paint problems, gouges, scrapes. The deck lid looks good. This tail light's no good. It's broken. That one looks good. This quarter panel has a dent in it right there. Rear door looks good. Driver door looks good. Front fender's no good. It does have a key. It does not start. Stock number 41444B. It's a 2013 Chrysler 300. It does have a key and it does not start.